What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Illuvium, which is still pumping up in value. As you can see, it has gone up 41% in the last 24 hours, and yes guys, it has gone past the $100 mark, currently trading at just about $106. So we're going to be going through where is this crypto heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to hit $150 anytime soon? Or is it going to drop back down in value? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Should you wait for it to drop? Or should you sell it on a profit, take out your money? Or should you just hold on to it for the long term before it goes even higher? So I'm going through its prediction as well over the short term. So next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall over the whole 2023, how high can this crypto go? And can it essentially hit the $1,000 mark? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is down just over a percentage in the last 24 hours. However, Ilv has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 7% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 41%, over the week a massive 75%, and over the whole month 174% in the past 4 weeks guys. As you can see, it all started off about just under the $40 mark, and right now has nearly tripled guys. So yeah, it's been performing very well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a huge 440% in the last 24 hours, making it $156 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Illuvium. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it has been getting a lot of attention, especially in the last 24 to 48 hours, as it's pumped up so much. So we are going to have a lot of people trading the crypto, a lot of short term as well as a lot of long term investors as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the daily chart with the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Illuvium, which is $66.23. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in red at over $104, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning it is not realistic. Again, the only reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taking place yesterday and today. So the graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, I am expecting it to slightly drop down in value before it pumps back up. So again, over the coming 3, 4, 5 hours, I'm expecting it to drop down to around the $100 mark before it pumps back up above $110 towards the end of the day today. So yes, even though dips are always part of the process, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, we should be trading around the $110 mark or slightly above that. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, I'm expecting it to still look, as you can see, still looking very bullish, looking very steep. Once again, it is not realistic. However, over the coming days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, over the next week or so, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Illuvium over the next week. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Illuvium to be trading around $125 to $130. Again, it may seem like a major increase. However, guys, the way it's been going over the last week has been absolutely crazy. So for it to go to $120, $125 in the next 7-8 days is an increase, but for Illuvium compared to how it's been performing, it's quite easy. However, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. I am also expecting drops in between as well, so guys, so do expect little drops and dips in between, red days, green days, up and down. But clearly means the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days from Illuvium. Now, moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking much more realistic. We're not looking steep, guys, as the previous two charts, but we still got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what is expected from Illuvium over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late March, early April 2023. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm again expecting an overall increase in value from Illuvium, and hopefully by that time we should be trading over the $200 mark, guys. However, this depends on any major crypto crash that takes place, any major crypto pumps or bull runs that take place. These things can have a major impact, not just on the value of Illuvium, but the whole crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, guys, I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good. But again, just because it's going to go up in value, it doesn't mean it's not going to take any dips. Dips are always part of the process, guys. Just because overall is going to have an increase in value, it doesn't mean we're not going to see it drop below the $100 mark. Of course we will, even down to about $85-90. I'm expecting it to drop over the coming days before it starts to pump back up in value slowly and steadily. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we've got a long way to hit the resistance target of $475. We are literally in the lowest part of the red zone. However, I am expecting Illuvium to be hitting the resistance target hopefully by mid-year, guys, and in the second half of the year we should be essentially trading in the green zone and hopefully heading up from there, hitting $1,000 by the end of the year is what my expectations are. Again, $1,000, it is obviously a 10x from where it is at the moment. However, if it does manage to maintain the current value and how it's been, you know, going up in value over the last 4 weeks, then we can definitely hit the $1,000 mark. However, as I mentioned, it depends on the market conditions, any collaborations, partnerships that they've got going on, and you guys have to bear in mind that the crypto market is a very, very volatile market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Illuvium, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.